as we all know, the Play Store have been updated policy that saying if you created a new developer account after the 13 November 2023, then you need to test your application at least for the 14 days. And one more condition over there, you need to test your application at least with 20 testers. And those 20 testers should provide feedback for your application. If you fulfill this condition, then only your application will go under the production. So here one question arises, how to get 20 testers? So this is the topic of today's video, how to get 20 testers for your application. Hi, I'm Devendra, welcoming you on Pixelator YouTube channel powered by AI Store. Before going ahead, if you interested in selling your Play Console account, then you can WhatsApp us on this number. Here, only we will give you the best deal for your Play Console account. If you are interested in selling your Play Console account, WhatsApp us after watching this video. First thing first, open the Play Store and then here, click on the search button and search the term vTester. And after the searching the term, here you will see the option, this is the application you supposed to install on your phone. So for this, click on the install button. So this application is installing, but let me tell you that if you creating any kind of digital product, then you can publish your digital product on airstore.shop. If you creating the project on the Android Studio, Flutter or anywhere, any kind of digital product, then you can say this on the airstore.shop. What you need to do, search airstore.shop, click on the publish now button, create your store and add your product and start your earning. So although our application get installed on our phone, so let's click on the open button. So after opening the application, we are seeing the option of sign in with the Google. Let me sign in myself. I'll see you the next side. After logging myself, I get redirect to the dashboard of the vTester. The dashboard of the vTester is looking like this. So these are the projects available for the testing. And here you might see the project and you can enroll yourself as a tester for this available project. And here after testing the application, you will earn the coin and then you can withdraw that coin or else you can use those coins to get publish your application on the vTester as well. So first thing first, I'll show you how to get the 20 tester. To get a 20 tester, you need to click on this button, that is get tester. After clicking on the get tester button, you have to click on the start publish button. And after clicking on the start publish button, here you have to pick the logo of your application. So I already uploaded my application to get the tester on the vTester. So here you need to pick the logo of your application. And then here you have to enter the name of your app, that is AirStore. Then here you need to enter the description of your application and then you need to enter the link of your application. Here I am using the another email ID to show you how you can publish your application in order to get the 20 tester. So here you need to enter the bidding amount. So minimum bidding amount is 200 rupees. So I am entering the 200. Here 200 rupees means they are talking about the coins, okay? So here you have to enter the minimum bidding amount, that is 200, and after selecting the bidding amount, here you need to select the payment method. If you have the sufficient balance amount in your wallet, then you can go with the select from the wallet option. If you don't have a sufficient wallet amount, then you can use a UPI payment method and you can publish your application in fast track. Here you don't need to spend your time to test your application in order to get the coin. Here you can simply select the UPI or the in-app billing option, means you can pay by the Google Play balance. Okay, so here I am going with the select from wallet because I already have the 978 rupees inside my wallet. And after that I am clicking on the pay button, and after clicking on the pay button, here you are saying the notification, are you sure? Yes, sure. And then afterward your application will get published on the vTester. Then click on the visit your project and then here you will see your application. And after publishing your application on the vTester, you can track all the data tester dashboard. To open the tester dashboard, again click on the get tester button, and after clicking on the get tester button, here you will see your uploaded project. So far I have been uploaded AirStore in front of you. If I want to track the data of my project, then simply select that project, and after selecting that project, here you will see the email list. Inside the email list, you will see the emails of the users who enrolled for your application. And here, inside the feedback provided section, then here you will see the list of the users who already provided the feedback for your project. So now I'm closing the tester dashboard and let me show you how you can enroll yourself as a tester. So first, select your project. After selecting the project, click on the enroll now button. After clicking on the enroll now button, here you will see you will get successfully enrolled for the Churl project. Okay, then here you need to test the application, and after testing the application, you need to provide the feedback, and you are supposed to take the screenshot and upload that screenshot over here. Here you need to click on the upload button. After clicking on the upload button, admin will review your screenshot and then approve your screenshot. If your screenshot gets approved, you need to keep that application installed on your phone at least for the 14 days. And after the 14 days, you need to open the same project from the your task section. And then after completion of the 14 days, point will get credited inside your VTester wallet. And then you can use those coins to publish your application on the VTester, or else you can withdraw those coins or the money by the UPI or the PayPal as well. So let me show you how you can add the money. So here first thing, you need to click on the profile option, and after clicking on the profile option, here you need to select the option that is add money. You need to enter the amount. So I am entering the 250 rupees and I am selecting the UPI option. And after selecting the UPI option, I will click on the load wallet. For now, I am not doing any kind of payment. If you want to withdraw your money, then click on the withdraw button. You need to enter the amount that you supposed to withdraw. So I am here withdrawing 200 rupees, and below that here you are saying, so if you want to edit your payment details, then you also can do this. So I am here entering my UPI ID, and after that I am submitting this UPI ID, and after that I am submitting my withdrawal request, and my withdrawal will get in my bank account after the 3 working days. I can track my withdrawal from the withdrawal history. So this is how you can get a 20 tester, or else you can earn the money by testing the other application. If you want to develop your application, then you can also WhatsApp us on this number. Don't unsubscribe us. To see you in the next video. Till then, be happy, keep coding.